If you've been looking for a way to read your PDF files on your Kindle Android app conveniently, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to send a PDF directly to your Kindle app on an Android device. Before we start, make sure you have the Kindle app installed on your Android device and the PDF file you want to read saved on your phone. Ready? Let's get started. First, navigate to the PDF file you want to read on your Android device. You can do this by opening your file manager and browsing to the location of the PDF. Once you found your PDF, tap and hold it to view the options. Look for the share icon and tap it. This will open a list of apps you can share your PDF with. Scroll through the list until you find the Kindle app and select it. After selecting the Kindle app, you'll be prompted to choose which of your Kindle devices or apps you'd like to send the PDF to. Select your Android device where the Kindle app is installed. Once you've selected your device, tap the Send button. Your PDF will be uploaded to your Kindle library. After 2 to 3 minutes, open your Kindle app, and you should see your PDF appear in your library. Tap on it to open and start reading. And that's it. You're all set to read PDFs on your Kindle Android app. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.